I just increased the font size on this sheet, and I want to adjust the columns so all the numbers will show, but I don't want it to adjust to the width of these long headings. This is Debra Dalgleish from Contextures.com. If there's not enough room for numbers to show completely, they show as number signs in the cell. And that's what happened here when I increased the font size on this worksheet. I want to make the columns wide enough to show the numbers, but keep them as narrow as possible. Usually, if I want to auto-fit columns, I would drag across the column headings, then double-click on the line between any two of those columns, and it would expand. So now I can see all the numbers, but it's expanded this column to fit the widest entry, which is this heading. I'm going to undo that and do this a little more carefully. I want the numbers to show, so in this pivot table, I'm selecting those 3 cells that have numbers, and I'll go to the Home tab and Format, AutoFit Column Width. That makes those just wide enough to fit, but this one doesn't fit, so I'm going to select it and press F4 to expand that column. But now I notice that there's another column here. Go to that, press F4, it will expand to fit. So select columns and double-click the border to quickly auto-fit columns, or use the ribbon command and F4 to auto-fit specific cells.